So right now I'm in Santa Clara ruins in Guatemala. It's gorgeous here. We just entered, so this is the first thing that you see when you enter. Yeah, come along, come join me.
This part of the convento is a little museum that they have on display where you can explore the historic artifacts. Santa Clara is hidden in the heart of the city of Antigua. The 16th century convento is a testament to architectural brilliance and spiritual tranquility. Fun fact, did you know that the convent was originally founded by a group of nuns seeking solitude and devotion? Their dedication to a life of prayer has left a mark on this sacred space. Every corner tells a story.
You have change, no? Okay. I'm gonna make a wish. You can't wish on the same coin.
We came across a wishing well, so obviously we decided to make a wish. At first it was just, the cute little let's do our wish, and then we noticed that they had a cup inside, so we got into our competitive bag and tried to get it in. I obviously got closer and Pete just tried to get as close as I could.
Some cute little guy in there. Oh!
Closer than him.
As we explore, something I noticed is the intricate carvings and the gold accents. It's a masterpiece. It's also very inviting. This spot here creates this beautiful ambiance where you just want to just sit and take it in and hear the echoes and just, I don't know, every part of this convento is filled with character. They also say that the convento has secrets that extend beyond its architecture. The convento is a home to a unique tradition of baking pastries known as dulce de convento, like sweet treats crafted by nuns. I didn't taste any or see any, but that's what they say, so it's interesting.
Okay, we are now in the center of it all, where this fountain is, and you're able to be all around and enter into any one of these spaces here. Here, come. I found a place where you belong. It's here. Here you belong. Are you? You want to fight or something? Look how easy it is. Just got him, Your hair actually looks pretty nice right now. Oh. What?
And I guess the convento doubles as a wedding venue because we stumbled across people getting ready for a wedding, and the venue was absolutely beautiful.
Is there lights on down there? Huh?
Just take a video directly on me. Okay. Right now we're at Convento Santa Clara. And this is the center of it. A little garden. We're surrounded by a fountain and then the ruins. It's very beautiful. I think you can walk through it probably in like 30 minutes. We've been here for an hour and 30 minutes just catching a vibe. And you lots to see. Let's explore. There's like little coves and things. So yeah, we should move here. And then the price of it was 40 pesos, which is like $5 USD, which is like $7 Canadian. I think. Don't quote me on that, but yeah, catch up. Thank you.